This is the Ascent at the Phoenician, a world-class residential community set within one of the most iconic resort destinations in all of Arizona, with Camelback Mountain as your everyday backdrop. From the moment you step inside, every detail is thoughtfully considered. The finishes, the flow, the way the space truly lives. A true split floor plan anchored by a luxurious open-concept living room designed for both quiet mornings and unforgettable nights. At the heart of the home is this bulthaup kitchen with Wolf and Sub-Zero appliances, natural wood, quartz, and a design that feels timeless rather than trendy. And then comes the moment that changes everything. A 26-foot glass wall opens to a 2,100 square foot wraparound patio, one of the largest in the entire community, creating a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor living. Entertaining feels effortless, sunsets feel cinematic. The lifestyle here simply cannot be matched. Just beyond your private gate is a residence-only clubhouse unlike anything else. A resort-style pool, lounge, game room, meeting space, and a fitness center with views that never get old. And above it all, a rooftop resident lounge and deck offering 360-degree views of the entire valley with one-of-a-kind sightlines of Camelback Mountain, Four Peaks, and the city lights stretching in every direction. A perspective reserved for very few. Private, refined, exactly as it should be. This is not just a residence, it is the new standard in luxury living. I'm Jonathan Budwig with the Budwig team at Realty One Group. This is where elevated living meets elevated representation.